when you need to get Adagio users out of the programs to perform maintenance or upgrades. It's now easier to do this gracefully, even for remote connections. If you wish to perform maintenance on a particular Adagio company or all companies, and you wish to prevent access to those companies during that maintenance or other tasks, you can set this up in Adagio Console from the X Console portion that you can load from either the toolbar or the maintenance menu. On the screen that appears, the scheduled shutdown times are listed on the top half. If any have been expired, you can choose to remove them when signing on here so that the list can be uncluttered. To create a new scheduled unavailability time, click the Add button. You can choose to set inaccessibility either for a specific company data directory or for all company datas. And you can set this either immediately, or you can choose to set a particular day and time in the future. Determine how long the system or company data will be inaccessible for, either in minutes or hours. And give the user a warning before the actual shutdown occurs. Scheduled times can be one time only, or you can have this set to repeat either daily or weekly. Choose OK to save the changes. You can create new, or you can edit existing. Notice that when changes have been made, icons will have a red color, and this indicates that those scheduled times have not yet been made live. In order to do so, you need to click the Apply button in order to save those changes. When a shutdown is in effect, either in the warning stage or during the actual shutdown, no one will be able to access the company or all of the company system datas except for the workstation that created the shutdown schedule. That station is exempt and can perform the tasks during the shutdown. The bottom half of the X Console screen is a grid that displays all of the users and applications that are currently open. This grid automatically refreshes whenever a user opens or closes a program. This screen is sortable by any of the columns just by clicking on the title. If you need to shut down one or more of these applications, perhaps because they were left open and the user went home for the evening, you can choose to select or multi-select users from the list and shut them down. To give them a warning, set the number of minutes from the defaults by left-clicking on the logo on the top left corner and setting the number of minutes here. Then, when you select a user, you can right-click and shut down. This will send a message via the network to the user and that application. And a message will appear on screen indicating that there is, in this case, 5 minutes before the shutdown. It will count down every 30 seconds until the application closes. Note that when the application does close, it will close regardless of what's occurring, whether they're posting a batch or editing a customer. So you really should only use this when you are fairly certain that the user isn't in the office and doing something, because the potential of data corruption could exist. If you realize that you don't have to send the message and the shutdown, you can right-click and cancel the shutdown, and this will give a message to the user that the shutdown is canceled. There's a star next to the user ID indicating the message has been sent, and it will go away once the message appears on the user's screen. In addition to sending a shutdown, you can simply select one or more users and right-click and send a message. This is outgoing message only, so that the system administrator can send messages to those user and applications, whatever it is they want to say. In addition, they can choose to include a shutdown along with that customized message. Gain exclusive access to perform maintenance with Remote Program Shutdown. For more information about Adagio Accounting, use these on-screen links or from the video description. Thanks for watching.